Hello there. The Vauxhall Corsa D has a special feature that can only be used in the dark. It's called exit lighting. What's that, I hear you say? Well, when you park the car, get out and walk away, the exterior lights stay on for about 30 seconds. This, for example, illuminates the pathway to your front door, so, unlike this poor fella, you don't trip over. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right, here's how exit lighting works in a Vauxhall Corsa. Step 1 is to turn off the engine and remove the key. Next, open the driver's door. Now move to the wand on the left side of the steering wheel, pull it towards you, and as we can see, the exterior lights have come on. Next, get out of the car and close the door. Now lock the car as normal. And as we can see, the front lights have stayed on. So have the rear lights. See that? And as I said earlier, these lights will stay on for roughly 30 seconds, which is plenty of time to run into the house without tripping over anything. So 30 seconds must be almost up now. So keep an eye on those lights and they will go out. Just like that. Now, if you change your mind and want to turn the lights off immediately rather than wait 30 seconds, there are two ways to do this. Option 1 is to insert the key into the ignition, like so. Alternatively, simply pull the left one towards you, like that. And that's how to use the exit lighting system in a Vauxhall Corsa D. And I've had to film this video very quietly because it's gone midnight and I don't want to disturb the neighbours. Anyway, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and once I've had some sleep, we'll see you next time. Good night.